In this video, I would like to teach you structure of present perfect tense. Before this tense, I have taught the structure of present continuous tense, the structure of simple present tense. Now I am going to discuss the structure of present perfect tense. And I have discussed that many tenses. Inshallah, I will discuss the usage of each and every tense later on. So let's discuss that what is the structure or what is the formula for the present perfect tense. So when you want to make a statement of present perfect tense, first of all we need subject. So first of all we need subject. First of all we need subject. After a subject we need has and have. We need has and have plus third form of verb. Third form of verb is also called past participle form of verb. Past participle form of verb. Simply we call third form of verb. Third form of verb. And verb plus complement. We need to add complement here. That is called here complement. If we want to make the statement of present perfect tense, first of all we need a subject, then has or have, third form of verb plus complements. So now first of all we should know that where we can use has and where we can use have. So let's talk about that. We have round about 7 subject pronoun. The first one is called I and we is called first person pronoun. I and we is called first person pronoun, while you is called second person pronoun, and the third person pronoun is called he, she, and we have it, and they is also called third person pronoun. So now if we talk about that, after I we have to add have. And we have to also add after we have, and you also there we have to add, and he, so it's singular, we have to add has, and after she we have to add has as well, and also we have to add has. And if we talk about they, so we have to add have. We have to add have. So after I we need to add have, after we need to add have, after you we need to add have, and he, she, it, and singular noun we have to add has. And if we talk about this, it's plural, we have to add have. Now these all are followed by third form of verb, which is also called past participle form. So let's add a verb to get that complete sentence. I have, so eat is the first form, ate is the second form. So what will be the first form of verb? So we say eaten. I have eaten what? The meal. That is called here the meal. So in this case we add past participle form, which is also called third form of verb. Now if we talk about that second, we is the plural, so we can say that we have read a book. We have read a book. Now if we talk about you, so you may say that you have taught English. You have taught is the past participle of teach, while read is the first form. When you want to convert, the spelling is the same but pronunciation is changed. Read, we can say that we have read a book. While if we talk about that you have taught English. You have taught English. If we talk about that he, so he has, then speak, so we say spoken. He has spoken Urdu. If we talk about she, so we say that she has watched TV. If we talk about it, so we say it has rained. It has rained and Nowshera. So we add that period or full stop. If we talk about they, so we say that they have driven, D-R-I-V-N, driven a car. So according to this formula, that if we want to construct the statement of present perfect tense, first of all we need subject pronoun. And as we know that we have 7 subject pronouns. I, we is called first person pronoun, while you is called second person, and he, she, it, and they is called third person pronoun. After I and we and you and they, after a plural we need to add have, and after a singular we need to add has. So these are basically called as, which we call as. Simply we call here, that is called as. And these are called auxiliary. To be, to d, and this is called to have auxiliary. That is called to have auxiliary as well. And these are called past participle form of verb, which is also called third form of verb. We can write here, that is called third form of verb. That is called third form of verb. And this is known as complement. This is known as complement. That is called here complement. That is called the complement. And this is called third form of verb. Third form of verb. And this is basically to have auxiliary. And this one is called a subject. So in this video I have just discussed the structure of present perfect tense. That if we want to construct the statement of present perfect tense, we need first of all as, it simply means subject, and then has and have we also call to have auxiliary, and also we call that past participle form of verb, which is also called third form of verb, and then complement here. So I say that I followed by have. Eaten is the first participle form of the verb. Eat, ate, eaten. These are called irregular form of verb. Read, spelling is the same, but pronunciation is changed. If we talk about that first form of verb of read, we say read. If we talk about third form, we say read. And if we talk about that taught is the third form of teach. If we talk about speak, speak is the first form, past participle form is spoke. Yani spoken, speak, spoke, spoken. While if we talk about watch, is the first form watched, and also that rain, rained, and also drank, that is called drive, driven. So these are called the past participle form of verb, and this is called complement here. So that was end of this video, and next video we will discuss the negative structure of present perfect tense.